Welcome back to Meistergram. In today's video, we're going to show you how to uncrate a Gem 1502, 1504, 1506, or 1508 machine. The crates are all similar and just change in dimensions. As you see here, I have a Gem 1502. Now let's get started. Now that we've uncrated the machine, we can see that the machine is bolted down to the bottom of the crate, or the base of the crate. In order to remove the machine from the base, we're going to need to remove the 4 nuts that are holding the machine down to the base. Using an open-end adjustable wrench, go ahead and remove all 4 nuts. Your machine's accessories, such as the hoops and the toolbox, will be located on the back of the machine. Your thread stand will be located on top of the thread base. The next step is to carefully remove the machine from the crate's base using appropriate equipment such as a forklift. This concludes unpackaging your Meistergram Gem Series bridge machines. You can use the same procedure whether you have a 2, 4, 6, or 8 head bridge Meistergram Gem Series machine. Follow us in the next video. We're going to show you how to do the initial setup, thread, and install all the accessories that you need on your machine so you can get started. Until next time.